Morning friends, our today's topic is money is God and dog. When people are doing right things, money is dog, and people are doing wrong things, money is God. People are killing, people are kidnapping, people are snatching, people are cheating for money. These all things people are doing for money. Even they are killing for their family members for money. Then for them money is look like God, and they are fighting and they are doing all these wrong things for making money. But when we are doing right things, money will chase us. When we are providing quality goods and quality services to the society, when we are find out the solution for people's problem, when we are providing best to the society, money will chase us. When our mission and vision will be good, money will follow us as a byproduct. Once there was a young boy, he booked a hotel and stayed there, but it was dirty and not looking good. He was so angry, and after that issue he started Oyo Rolls. His name is Hridesh Agarwal, just 25 years old young man. He is an entrepreneur and a billionaire. Just because of the issue, he found out solution for people's problems. So whenever we are find out the solution for people's problem, then money will follow us. In the same way, once a young 25 years old software engineer wanted to travel from Bangalore to Hyderabad on a Diwali day, but he couldn't book the ticket, and he couldn't travel because of the rush on that Diwali day. He was really disappointed and started Red Bus. So both of them faced issues, and they found out solution for the issue. So that solution made them rich people, made them billionaires. So always do your best and give your best to the society. Then money will follow you as a dog. Same way, Amazon found out a solution for people's purchasing habits, and now people can order from home and they can buy from home. It's just a click away. So these all the things, all people found out solution for people's issue. So if you want to chase money as dog, find out the solution for people's problems. So this is today's topic. See you next time with another topic. Thank you.